They'll come in with one of those thermometers that you put on the forehead. They beep to take somebody's temperature, and that's it. They transferred out a guy just like 2 days ago because his temperature was 101. Then yesterday they transferred out a guy's temperature was over 100. It's a very small room, and it's 3 bunks high, so there's 3 bunks per bed. There's 8 bunks in here, and they're 3 bunks high. 2 other guys right now that had fever yesterday. They've been giving them, I guess, give them just like a cold setup, which is Tylenol. They don't give us bars of soap. They gave us maybe for 25 people in here. They gave us 3 bars, and they're not even antibacterial soap. So they gave us masks 2 weeks ago, and they're just like these cheap paper. They're like a dryer sheet, and the band on them they just break off. We have to tie them up, like put sheets through the little loops, try to like keep them on our face, they get torn. And then they try to write for it. They took my commissary for a week. They wrote maybe another 15 people? Probably another 15 people in here got their commissary taken for a whole week. So petty, especially at these times, That's the only thing you have to look forward to right now, really. Chapianco is to say, we're getting masks and we're getting all the protection we need in here. Hell, it's basically a death sentence waiting to happen, It's just a matter of time before everybody in here is going to be sick. And we're just hoping our bodies are strong enough